Come along with me today as we bike through the changing leaf color and experience autumn here in Pennsylvania. This is such a beautiful time of year, and I'm so excited to share this beautiful scenery with you. Good morning. Today I'm at the John Heinz National Wildlife Refuge, and I've got my folding bike with me. We're going to take a bike ride here. So I've got my Campo ZiZZO folding bike, and I've got the GoPro mounted on the front to get some footage like that. But I do want you to see here, so they're doing a construction project here to stabilize the road, and because of that they've had to drain the impoundment, so things look drastically different here. There's grasses and things where water used to be. It's going to be like this for a while. You can see the geese have taken over out there. Got some nice views of the Darby Creek here. They have some equipment up for some staging for the construction that's going to start. Lots of geese out there right now, and like I said, very low water level. There's a pair of vultures just soaring overhead. It's really pretty to see them in the wind. You've got these little pops of fall color around you. It's a beautiful day out here. The trail is gravel, so it is a little rough for bike riding. This is the first time I've ever ridden here. So you wouldn't want to do this if you had like a racing bike with really skinny tires. My bike's in between, so it can pretty much handle this. I'm curious to see how the GoPro footage comes out, if it's ultra shaky or not. So we're at the James Carroll Observation Tower. So when the refuge was established in 1972, Jim was the first employee, and he concluded his career with the Fish and Wildlife Service, retiring in 1987. And he was born in the Meadows in 1922, now known as the Eastwick neighborhood. And he spent his childhood exploring the Tinicum Marsh. And his granddaughter Donna explained that he learned the love that he had for the outdoors here. I definitely understand they have to do this work after the hurricane did some damage here, but I do wonder, with the drought and with lowering the water levels, what happens to all the birds that usually make this a stopping point? I know for me it is so drastically different. I can't believe how different it looks right now. I don't see any swans, I don't see any wading birds, I don't see any herons, so you just wonder, where do the birds go? There's really a lot of changing leaf color here. I mean, I just looked at some poison ivy. It's all red, the leaves of it. I'm like, even the poison ivy looks pretty. So I've got my bike back in the trunk and put away. It was a great day for a bike ride. If you want to see more about my folding bike, I have a video on my channel page that you can check out about the ZiZZO folding bike, where you can see the features and the folding process. If you want to see more videos from the Heinz Wildlife Refuge, I have those on my page as well.